How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny forearms step by step at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise, we're going to use forearm curls. So just like this, we're going to curl our forearms. That's 20, keep going. You want to do high repetitions, you guys, minimum 50 reps. That's 50, keep going. 60. 75 reps. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise we're gonna do is a squeeze. So get your hands and squeeze really, really tight and hold for 20 seconds. Keep squeezing. You should be squeezing tight. This should hurt. This exercise should be tough. Keep going. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Perfect. Quick little break. We are then going to do hammer curls. So you can get your forearms like this. You're going to move up. You can literally see the definition in the veins in my forearms. It's 10. Keep going. "35 reps, perfect." Quick little break. We're then going to go back to the forearm curl. "35, perfect." End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.